In this video, we're going to work on division. So if we have a problem like this that says 50 divided by 5 equals blank, and this line with the two dots is division. It shows how many times does 5 fit into 50? How many times can it divide into 50? So from our other teachings, you will have remembered that division also looks like this. How many times does 5 fit into 50? And division, the division symbol is shown with this funny line here. Okay? So don't be afraid of it. They're exactly the same. They have the same meaning. Okay? So you might remember off the top of your head how many times 5 fits into 50. But if you don't, that's okay. You could use this table. And you could look for this statement, 5 divided by 50, down here. And I could see that 5 divided by 50 can be found here. So we'll just circle that. So this is the answer. 5 divided into 50 is 10. Actually, I was just saying it incorrectly. It's 50 divided by 5 equals 10. That's the right way of saying it. So 50 divided by 5 is 10. So we could put that answer in right here. And we can also put it in over here. So that's the right answer. So 50 divided by 5 equals 10. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewind the video and watch it again.